Want a job that's in high demand? Software engineering is where it's at. Heaps of people are switching careers to join this exciting field. Why? Well, it's a growing industry with great pay and awesome perks. Think about it. You could be building the next big app or website. You could work from anywhere, even in your pajamas. Plus, you'll constantly be learning new things, so you'll never get bored. Switching careers can be daunting, but don't worry. It's totally doable with the right attitude and a bit of hard work. So if you're looking for a change, software engineering might just be the perfect fit for you. Ready to dive into the world of software engineering? Awesome. Let's talk about the skills you'll need to rock this career change. First things first, you gotta learn how to code. Think of it as learning a new language, but for computers. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. You'll need to get familiar with programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript. These are the tools you'll use to build software. You'll also need to understand data structures and algorithms. These are like the building blocks of any software program. But hold on, it's not all about the technical stuff. Being a good communicator is key too. You'll be working in teams and talking to clients, so you gotta be able to explain complex things in a simple way. Remember, learning these skills takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Just keep at it, and you'll be coding like a pro in no time. All right, you're ready to ditch the old career and become a coding superstar, but where do you even begin? First things first, you gotta get educated. Now, you don't necessarily need a fancy computer science degree, although it can help. There are heaps of online courses and coding boot camps that can teach you the ropes. Next up, networking. Connect with other software engineers. Go to meetups and this is a great way to learn from the pros and maybe even find a mentor. Now it's time to polish up that resume and start applying for jobs. Don't be afraid to start with internships or junior level positions. Foot in the door. Remember, switching careers is a journey, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Section 4. Level up your skills. Resources for aspiring software engineers. So, you're ready to dive into the wonderful world of coding? Awesome. Luckily, there are a ton of resources out there to help you on your journey. Online learning platforms like Codecademy, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer a plethora of courses for all levels, from complete beginners to coding ninjas. They're super interactive and make learning fun. If you prefer a more structured approach, consider enrolling in a coding bootcamp. These intensive programs pack months of learning into a few short weeks and can get you job ready in no time. Books are also your best mates when it comes to learning to code. Python Crash Course or JavaScript. The good parts are great places to start. And hey, don't underestimate the power of online communities like Stack Overflow. They're like the Google of coding, where you can find answers to almost any coding question. Section 5. They did it, and so can you. Inspiring tales of career transition triumph. Still not convinced you can make the switch? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're about to introduce you to some real-life superheroes who ditched their old careers and became coding gurus. Meet Sarah, a former chef, who turned her passion for creating delicious dishes into a passion for crafting beautiful websites. And then there's John, a former accountant who swapped spreadsheets for scripts and now works on cutting-edge artificial intelligence projects. These are just a couple of examples of the countless people who have successfully made the leap into software engineering. Their stories are a testament to the fact that with hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn, anything is possible. So if they can do it, why not you? Section 6. Embrace the challenge. Conquering the coding learning curve. Let's be real for a sec. Learning to code can be tough. There will be times when you're banging your head against the keyboard, wondering why you ever thought this was a good idea. But trust us, it's all part of the process. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. Remember all those scrapes and bruises? But once you got the hang of it, it felt amazing, right? Coding is the same deal. The key is to embrace the challenge. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, and most importantly, don't give up. Break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable chunks. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of coders out there who have been in your shoes and are more than willing to lend a helping hand. So keep coding, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Section 7. Your coding adventure awaits. Embark on your software engineering journey. So there you have it, mate. Everything you need to know to embark on your very own software engineering adventure. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding path, filled with endless possibilities. Remember, the tech industry is booming, and the demand for skilled software engineers is only going to increase in the years to come. This is your chance to be a part of something big, to create innovative solutions, and to shape the future of technology. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, dive headfirst into the world of coding, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. The future of tech is waiting for you.